When will I ever need to know this? How will this make a difference in my life? Making classroom activities relevant to our students is an important part of engagement, and doing it in an action-driven classroom comes with its own challenges. Topics we explore can deal with expansive and even grown-up themes. So what practical steps can we take to ensure we're keeping it relevant? We can find examples and activities that link more immediately to our students' experience. If we're developing a project on poverty, look beyond obvious examples in foreign countries. We can dig deeper and find ways to illustrate what poverty looks like in our towns or cities as well, building the link between global and local experiences. Or find stories of how poverty impacts young people in particular, helping students to build empathy skills.
Relevant to me is completely different as far as relevant to them. So I really have to put myself in their shoes. And that comes with developing that relationship throughout the year and really getting to know them and listening to what they're into, listening to their reactions to previous videos that I may have shown them, and then going off of that. So using that as a seismograph for their personalities, and just using that to navigate myself through finding things that might be meaningful to them or engaging or that might activate that thought process.
We can all remember sitting in a trigonometry class or learning about Shakespeare and thinking, when am I ever going to use this? We can intentionally design our lessons to build skills that students will need to make a difference in the world and give students the time to understand how those skills will help them do that, not in the distant future, but right now. There's no better way to demonstrate relevance than to show our students how what we are teaching relates to the news they see online and on TV. We can pick up any news story, a local or global one, and encourage students to understand it from the perspective of the people affected, whether they are in their community or in another country. What can they do about it? Relevance is not just about keeping our students' attention. Building relevance is how we connect our students to a shared responsibility to make the world a better place and empower those students to take action.